Good morning, my darlings. It's phonics time. Now, quick reminder before we start the phonics that if you have not sent in your pupil comment, or you have not done it, please send it in. And also, very important, send in your photo of you so that I can start putting together our class photo, okay? So, right, onward now to the phonics. Put those phonics hats on. Fantastic, give that brain a little wake up, super duper. Right, we are ready for phonics. Now we're going to start off today with a high frequency word. So high frequency word, one that comes up a lot, frequently in fact, hence the name, high frequency. So today's word is different, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, dear me, my pen needed to wake up. Wake up, pen. There we go. Different. Okay, so the word different. So you will come across this quite a lot. You probably end up saying it quite often. That book is different. That cake is different. I use cake a lot in these examples in phonics actually, which is weird because I don't even eat that much cake, but it obviously springs to mind a lot. I think of celebrating birthdays with you in class, and then I think of cakes. So that brick is different, that toy is different, that pen is different, I am different from you, you are different from me, your clothes are different to mine. Different. Okay, so it's a long word, but you can break it down. So practice spelling it now. Write it out carefully. Take care with those letters. Make sure you are forming them correctly. Let's do it again. Different. Here we go. Okay, so that is today's high frequency word. Right, now back to our alternative pronunciations. Now, yesterday we were doing you, weren't we? Now, originally when we learn it, we think of this letter and we learn it as the sound, like for umbrella. So that's how we first learn it, and we learn it as the letter name is U, but the sound is Now, yesterday we were learning the alternative pronunciation, which is, for example, in the word music, where it makes a U sound. Music. Okay, now there is, wait for it, oh my goodness, another alternative pronunciation. Would you believe it? The English language is just incredible. It just keeps surprising you. So this other one is, for example, in this word. L. Okay, so the sound. So we've got these two words here. So practice writing them out and saying this other alternative pronunciation. So put and pull. So we've now got two alternative pronunciations for this letter here. Okay, right, now I want you to have a go at writing the word awful. Awful. Thinking about our new alternative pronunciation. Okay, so first sound, you have a go and I'll have a go on here. So, got the O, awful. So we've got the sound again. Okay, our new one that we are thinking about today. Awful. Awful. So we've done put and pull and awful. So now we are going to practice spelling some polysyllabic words. Now, can you remember what polysyllabic words are? I know it is a big word in itself, isn't it? So, polysyllabic means 2 or more syllables in a word. So a syllable is like a beat, okay? So you can always check how many syllables in a word by kind of clapping the word out to find the syllables, okay? That's the easiest way to work it out. Sometimes I even have to do that as well. The clapping really helps me. So some of these words will be polysyllabic words, so they will have 2 or maybe more. You'll have to check. And maybe some of them will just be single syllable words. So be on the lookout, be alert, see if you can work it out. So the first word is bull. Bull. Okay. So bull. Bull. Okay. Bull's an animal. In case you weren't quite sure about that one yet. So a bull, a male cow, a bull. So make sure you've written that one down. Practice saying it out loud so you're practicing this sound, hear this pronunciation. Good. Now, how many syllables in this word? Clap it out. Did you get it right? It's 1. Okay, right. Next word is playful. I feel playful today, but not with the bull because that wouldn't be a good idea. So, playful. So, playful. How many syllables in that word? Clap it out. See if you can work it out. Playful. 2 syllables. Good. Okay. Right, I'm going to rub out because I need some more room. So, next word is bush. Thinking about our alternative pronunciations. Remember, keep those in your head. Bush. 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 How many syllables? 1. Okay. And last but not least, we have got push chair. Okay. So push chair is a longer word, but just remember when you are, sorry, I've got hay fever, my nose is so itchy. When you've got a longer word, just take it into 2 parts so it doesn't seem overwhelming. So think about the first part of the word. So the word is push chair. The first part of it is push. So let's concentrate on spelling push first of all. Sh. Push. There you go. Half the word is done. Push chair now. So ch. Air. Lovely trigraph at the end there. And you've done the whole word. So, push chair. How many syllables in that word? Clap it out. Work out those beats. Push chair. 2 syllables. Well done. Okay then, time to do some sentence writing. So, your sentence today is... Let me have a look. Never push a bull. Never push a bull. Yeah, that is good advice, in fact. Sometimes these sentences don't make as much sense as they really should, but that one is actually very good advice. Never push a bull. So, never push a bull. And think about those alternative pronunciations of what you have learned recently. I hope it's locked away up here. So, never push a bull. Never push a bull. Never push a bull. Maybe you can always pause the video to give yourself some time. Right, One more time. Never push a bull. Okay, let's look at it together. So remember, always capital letter at the beginning. Ever, never, finger space. There's our sound. Be thinking about that one today. Sh. Never push a finger space. I'm doing the finger space there, and I'm thinking, oh, I haven't got enough room, so I've got to go on to the next line. Never push a bull. Full stop. Never push a bull. Good. And remember, when you go on to the next line, sometimes people think that they need to put a capital letter, but just because it's the beginning of a line does not mean you need a capital letter. You only need a capital letter when you are starting a new sentence, okay? I'm carrying on the same sentence, so no new capital letter. Never push a bull. Bull. Never push a bull. So there is your sentence. Super. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do our extension one, our challenge one. So today's challenge one is do not push or pull the unicorn. They really like unicorns at the moment. Do you like unicorns? I quite like unicorns. Yeah. So do not push or pull the unicorn. Remember, if it's a long sentence, just take it part by part. A bit like long words, okay? Don't think, oh my goodness, it's long, I can't do it. No, you can do it. Absolutely. Always be positive. You can do it. Take it bit by bit. So, do not. So the first word is do. So we write that one down. Do not. Do not. Push. Push. Or. Push or pull the unicorn. We're working with two of our alternative pronunciations there in this sentence. So, do not push or pull the unicorn. One more time. Do not push or pull the unicorn. Okay, let's look at it together. So, capital letter. Do, finger space. Not, do not. Push, so p, and then we've got the sh. Do not push or pull. Okay, think about that alternative pronunciation. Do not push or pull we know that one well. Do not push or pull the unicorn. So now we've got the other alternative pronunciation, unicorn. Whoop, I only just fitted that one in there. So, and full stop at the end. So, do not push or pull the unicorn. So this same letter, and we pronounce it in two different ways, okay? We've got the sound, sh, and then we've got the u, the unicorn, okay? So that's your sentence, and we've got with both different alternative pronunciations there. There you go. Fantastic. Well done. So keep practicing those because that's quite a bit to keep in our head. Who knew, you know, that this simple letter, this one here, you could do so many different sounds with, eh? It's so interesting and useful. Well done for your phonics today, my darlings. Good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back and enjoy the rest of your learning today.